Believe one day that you will be achieving, believe one day that you will be there.
M Century Properties.
Hi, I'm Danish, M Century Top Sales. So I'm very happy to receive this award for this month, Top Sales from M Century. So first and foremost, I would like to thank M Century platform to give me this opportunity, because without them, the outshine is very difficult. And also a big thanks to my Joker team, because without them, this wouldn't be that much of possible. What made me to come here today to sit in front of the camera is one thing that my leaders taught me: be disciplined and also always to keep up the consistency. Not all the time my consistency is in the peak, but always to keep bold. So I never stop on my path. I always believe what they said, believe one day that you will be achieving, believe one day that you will be there. So I believe them, I believe what they told, and today I'm here with the award in front of the camera. So I'd like to thank my Joker Group, my leaders, M Century, WKG Group, and also my families and my friends. Thank you very much. Welcome to M Century families.